Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and I have my little bun and we're gonna go ahead and play with this glitter palette from Makeup by Yolondo, which is called Glitter Obsession. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
I had a feeling you'd come.
Okay, so this palette, it is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. Like, look at this, look at this, look at this. So I'm gonna use that, but we have to go in with a base first, kind of like. So I'm gonna use this Jamrock palette, but I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Set Good, and yeah, let's start working. Let's start working. So I'm just gonna pack it. For now, I'm gonna use this T45 from Morphe. Actually, that's not from Morphe. Makeup Shack, and we're gonna go in with good, and I'm just gonna stamp it in my crease. I feel like this look is gonna take forever. Just gonna do like a semi-circle kind of situation. And I have the skin tags like right here. I need to go get them removed. I'm just gonna go back and forth till I get that super dark pigmentation that I want. And I know it looks crazy right now, but just ignore that. Okay, I'm gonna put this green here because I'm still gonna need it. No, it's come with a nice, really dark yellow. I try not to go to too many palettes because that could be like a pain in the what. But I want this shade right here, Sadie. So we're gonna go into Sadie, and this is in the No Limitations palette. But I am keeping on the same brand, even if I'm switching shade, or if I'm not shade. Even if I'm switching palettes, I'm keeping on the same brand. So that should make it a little bit easier. I know. This is a Y16. Just want something small, and we're gonna go into Sadie. And now the blending comes, which is what's gonna take, a very long time. Just have to keep blending. Okay, right here looks super dark. So I'm putting in a lighter yellow a little bit, so it doesn't look so muddy, which is Peter Gale. Just keep blending.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What do? We swim.
So I'm gonna go back because I lost like a ton of my green. So I'm gonna go back into Set Good, and then I'm just gonna stamp this. Let's go ahead and let me coat my crease. I'm gonna use my cut crease brush from Huda Beauty and my cold cream. You already know. Just take a big chunk like this and I put it at the back of my hands. Be careful with that part because again, this is makeup remover. So it will remove the makeup. if you're not careful. So far, this is the flattest brush I've been able to get. I have the C10 from Makeup by Yolondo, but I can't make it be like super flat. This is like really, really flat. So that's why I really like this. Oh. And I do take my cut crease a little bit higher because, you know, of the lid space. Now I'm gonna switch up on the wipe. Just look at this, 17 minutes in and I'm still just, I'm obsessed with these waters, the alkaline water, but this is like spring water, spring alkaline water, and it's flavored. So good. So now I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Yolondo base, and this one is the foundation shade. Put like a whole chunk at the back of my hands. I clean my brush, the same showstopper brush, and then we're gonna go in. So I'm stamping and dragging. Jesus Christ, this is tedious. See why I don't do cut crease like that? Because it just takes so long. Now we're gonna go into that glitter palette. Oh no, I'm thinking of going into this shade right here. There's no names, but it's just this shade. Ooh, this is straight up shimmer. I don't really like shimmer like that because it goes literally everywhere. So let's see. Take it like chunks like so. Oh boy. I don't even know where it fell. But what brush is this? This is from Acid Rain, which is a Mama Michelle and P.Louise collaboration. Like this literally took. This looks quite chunky. Okay, but for now I'm done with that. I'm gonna go back to the Jamrock palette, and I think I'm gonna go back to that green a little bit and just. I feel like I'm gonna have issues with my lashes staying. So we're gonna go back to the green, and I'm just gonna look this bit right here. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. This glitter is literally everywhere. Everywhere, and I can't like get it to go away, so we're just gonna, you know, move along. Actually, let me use my Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I haven't used that primer in a minute. I feel like I should have moisturized first. My face is really dry. And this yellow glitter. I'm gonna use my foundation from Shein, but I'm gonna mix it. So this shade is golden. like it doesn't matter what I do today, I'm gonna have like literally glitter like everywhere. It's just a mess. I'm gonna use my 732 brush from Luxie to blend that out. See, that's still dark. Like, look at this. You can see the difference. It looks fine. Whenever, you know, I kind of blend it everywhere. This is just a mess I have at the back of my hands. Wipes done. For my concealer, let's go ahead and use this. This is a medium from, you know, my Tarte Shapepe. I know this is light, but I got it. I'm gonna use it so I can finish it up. And let's use this foundation stick from Huda Beauty. This one is 410G. I am gonna use this brush from Morphe. It is E34. I feel like I bring this side right here too down, but it's cool. And then I'm gonna use this G38 from Morphe to blend my concealer. Yeah, it is good. I'm gonna go ahead and use my flower powder from Beauty Bakerie. That is one of my faves. And I'm gonna set my face with my Micromooth powder from Sephora. Oh. So I just got this palette and I have really been liking it. So I use these two shades, mostly this middle one. So I go in. And then I just go and I just tap in this one just a little bit. My face is so bumpy. I think I used something on my face that's like, but that's one thing that sucks about, you know, doing what I do is I test so many different like products, you know. So many different products, and then they come back and bite me in the behind. And then I go in the really, really light shade, and then I just. Nothing crazy on my nose. And for my blush, I'm gonna use this blush palette. I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I think that's my favorite shade. Zena. And I put this on my F50 brush from Sigma. And I'm gonna go in with my SheGlam highlighter. I'm not gonna go too crazy here. And look at this. I'm not gonna go too crazy. And then I go super crazy. Okay, now I just need a little bit of my base from Makeup by Yolondo. I'm just using a little bit, just a little bit. I like I need to order another one of these because I seem to be using that a lot. And I'm putting this on a Crown pencil brush. Just gonna go into this one real quick, and I'm gonna go into, no, that's not the one I had. This one, but I had the other one too, but I want the green from this shade right, from this one right here, and we're just gonna put that right there. And I'm using a 710 from Luxie. Just a little bit of yellow just to buff it up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I don't want one of these. The really light ones. Wow. That is not sticking. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my NYX glitter glue. Oh, and this is a T2 from Makeup Shack. I have mixed feelings about these palettes. Like, I don't know. The glitters are not doing it for me. Yeah, I don't know about this. I'm gonna use Odyssey by Marc Jacobs. That glitter is like literally everywhere. It's even going into my eyes. So I don't know about that. Actually, I'm just gonna do a gloss. I'm gonna use this gloss from, it's Juicy Date from Bobbi Brown. I think that's will work. Let me clean my ears real quick, or my earrings. Oops. And this one come apart. Nope, let's just do a messy bun. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys for this video. Again, I'm not a huge fan of glitters, so that could be why I feel this way about this palette. Yeah, the glitter was like everywhere, and I think it's already like kind of separating on my eye, and it's pretty chunky. Like, it's just, I don't know what I'm gonna do to take all this stuff off of my face, because I have glitter like literally everywhere has glitter. So that's it guys for this video. You know, I hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.